Hey guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. Okay, so because these comments are just utterly ridiculous, I like to mention them in these videos because it makes me laugh and hopefully it makes you guys laugh as well. So some people have a problem with my potty mouth because I say, you know, bad words. I say no words. I say fuck. I can say that word though because I'm an adult, but some people don't like that. Some people expect me to cater to them because they watch my videos with their kids around. So I should stop swearing because they watch my videos with their kids around. Not happening. But I got another comment. I just have to call this out because these people are so fucking ridiculous. It's pathetic actually. Okay, so this is totally not Poshmark related. This is just Vanessa related. You have no clue how you look and come across cursing. You sound ridiculous because it doesn't fit in your conversation. It's like a kid wanting to curse because they can. Grow up. Be a real woman. Then when your kids pick it up, you'll be like, huh? I don't swear around my kids. My kids don't watch my YouTube videos. My son might, but he's 15. If he says fuck, like, it's not the end of the world. There's far worse things that he could be doing than saying a bad word. He doesn't swear, by the way, but if he were to, it's a word. You know, again, far worse things he could be doing. What else did you say? Grow up, be a real woman. Like, okay, I'm not a real woman because I say fuck. Okay, that makes sense. That's logical. It's like a kid wanting to curse because they can. No, it's like an adult cursing because they can. Just wanted to throw that in there because these people are just ridiculous. Like, if you have an issue with me cursing, just get off my channel. Don't watch my videos. You don't need to comment because I'm probably gonna call you out in a video like this. Okay, I have a very important question. I started my Poshmark almost 3 months ago, and as of right now, I only have my clothes that I never wear in my closet that I've listed. I've been wanting to move on to making more money and have quicker sales. Is it better to wholesale or thrift? Okay, she's got a couple questions, so I'll stop right there. Is it better to wholesale or thrift? So I've kind of dabbled in wholesale. Don't buy wholesale on Poshmark, I'll say that, because I don't think that that's worth it. I've bought some wholesale shoes on Poshmark and I sold them, but it took a while. If you're gonna go wholesale, I can link some websites down below, but I think it's easier to thrift. It's cheaper to thrift because with wholesale, you're gonna be paying more money up front. With thrifting, you're not gonna be paying more money up front. But yeah, I definitely think, sorry, I'm like pointing. I definitely think it is better to thrift than to buy wholesale. Right now though, like today, wholesale might be your best bet because thrift stores are closed like all across the nation. Which makes more profit? It definitely depends. You know, it depends on the items that you're getting. Oh, and then the next sentence is, I would prefer not to thrift and just find a good wholesale vendor. I want to make more money quicker at a lower price. I don't know what I should do. So again, I'll link some wholesale websites down below. I've dabbled in it, but I just prefer thrifting because I don't know. I can't really say I've made more money thrifting because I haven't like really tried to buy wholesale. I've bought like a couple of things, maybe like 20, 30 wholesale pieces. So again, I prefer to thrift. Okay, and then her next comment says, also, I'm young and want my closet to be my style. My style is very Kim Kardashian, Yeezy, very LA. I live in Calabasas. Ooh, you fancy, huh? I don't know, is Calabasas fancy? I feel like that's where all the celebrities live, right? Right? In my opinion, everything on Poshmark is very dated and seems more for mature buyers. You think so? Really? I'm curious if my style will sell. Girl, yes, your style will sell. I do not want to find name brands. I don't want to thrift. I want to wholesale items from vendors in downtown LA that are my style and sell on Poshmark. Is this realistic? Absolutely. Oh my gosh, those styles that you mentioned, like, you know, like Kim Kardashian Yeezy style, that is like, hold on, I'm gonna pull up a graphic in a second, but I just wanted to finish your comment. The app seems very dated. Really? You think so? Oh, I don't think so at all. I just want to know what's the best way to make profit. It's very hard for me to find my audience as well. I need to find younger buyers. Thank you. I hope you see this comment. Okay, I need to pull up a graphic. Yes, okay. Hold on. Is this it? This is it. So this is Poshmark's 2020 Social Commerce Report. I think you will find this very interesting. Sorry, I keep pointing. I I think you will find this very interesting. Is that better? 58% of shoppers are comfortable purchasing items through a social media platform instead of directly from a company's website. Okay. This is what, yes, okay, this right here, this picture. Why can't I go to the picture? Oh, I'll get the full report now. All right, hold on, we're downloading the full report. Hold on. Where is it? What are we doing? Where is it going? What the heck? This was interesting. It breaks it down by like generations, like what brands different generations are buying. So let's start with Generation Z, which is the youngins, the youngest, I don't know, the years, younger than me. Gucci, Adidas, Brandy Melville. This is just showing the 3 most popular brands that these generations are buying. Millennials, which I'm technically a millennial because it goes till 1980, I think, and I was born in 85, so I don't identify with millennials though. Okay, Nike, Madewell, and Anthropologie. Generation X is Tory Burch, Kate Spade, and Patagonia. And baby boomers, Coach, Michael Kors, and Eileen Fisher. Well, this is kind of interesting too. It says approximately 20% of Poshmark users are Generation Z, and in 2019, approximately 1 in 4 people joining Poshmark were Gen Z. Interesting. That's actually lower than I thought. Well, no, I feel like millennials are more prominent on the app. It doesn't say that though. It doesn't say what the other percentages are. So anyway, to answer your question, did that help you at all? I hope it did, kinda. But the brands that you want to sell are definitely brands that are gonna sell for sure. And I don't think Poshmark is dated. I don't think it's dated at all. I'm curious as to why you think that. If you're watching this, can you comment down below and let me know why you think it's dated? But yeah, I think you would have a lot of luck, you know, going to like vendors in downtown LA. Like I feel like LA style is like, I don't know, I feel like it's very popular on Poshmark. So I think you'll have great success. I really do. And as far as the whole wholesaler thrifting, again, thrifting is my preference. So yeah, and I don't really have a lot of experience in wholesale, so that's just kind of my preference. So I hope my answer was helpful. All right, next question. I'm just gonna read this comment because it's great. I fucking love you, woman. You not only motivate me, but fucking inspire me to work harder at becoming a fierce bitch. Oops, can I fucking write that? I've taken my closet to a new level because of your help. Oh my gosh, this might make me cry. Like this is, oh. I'm 53 and curse my fucking head off. This is great, I love this. Almost forgot, I do have a question. I would love to know how to change the background in my closet. I like my profile picture, but I can't stand that it is the background as well. I tried multiple times to do this, it's not a big deal. It drives me batshit crazy. Maybe you can work this into one of your rad Q&As. Keep it rad. If you want to check out my closet. All right, let's check out, everyone check out her closet. It's Debbie, D-E-B-B-I-C-S-E-A. So D-E-B-B-I-S-E-A. I'll link her Poshmark closet down below. Want to come to your sip in May, hoping it isn't canceled. I live 100 miles away, but I'm coming. Oh, it is canceled. You live 100 miles away. Where do you live? Where do you live? Massachusetts? Yeah, unfortunately my Posh and Sip for May is canceled, but I'm definitely, once this coronavirus is gone, I almost said fucking gone. In that case, the word fucking would definitely fit in to the conversation because I would use it with such passion because I just passionately want coronavirus to fuck off. You know? Anyway, I'm hopefully gonna reschedule it later, hopefully. I mean, not hopefully, I definitely am. Okay, let's think positively. I am gonna reschedule it and I will keep you all posted. Okay, so your question, as far as changing your background, you can totally do that. Let me show you here. Maybe you can only do it on a computer because I am right here in my closet. Come on, focus. I was gonna change it, but it only says edit, what does that say? Header image, not background. So maybe you can't do it on the app. You 100% can do it on the computer. So if you log into Poshmark.com on a computer, it'll give you the option. When you go to edit profile, it gives you the option to edit your header. But yeah, it looks like you can only do it on a desktop. Next question is, what are you using to track your inventory? To get QuickBooks with the inventory tracker is $70 a month after the discount expires. So I don't use QuickBooks to track my inventory. I just have a spreadsheet. I have a spreadsheet on my computer that I use. So every time I get new inventory, I just go on my computer and log it in there, and that seems to work for me. So yeah, I just use QuickBooks to track basically just expenses, like I keep receipts on there and like write-offs and like mileage and stuff. I don't use it to track inventory. I think this is gonna be the last question because I've kind of rambled in this video. Hey Marissa, do you participate in closet clear out? I have been lately and can't really tell if it's worth the trouble. Just wanted to get your opinion. Love your channel. Thank you. Sorry if you've already answered this and I missed it. Okay, so I did answer it, but I'll answer it again. I don't care. I don't participate in closet clear out because I don't like lowering prices, and then, you know, if stuff doesn't sell, I don't like keeping it at those lower prices. You know, I would usually go back and raise the prices. So backing up, I have participated in closet clear out. I haven't really found much luck with it. So I don't know. I just think the hassle isn't worth the results, I guess. So yeah, I don't participate in it anymore. And I don't really think it's like a special thing anymore because closet clear out happens like every other day or like every 2 days, literally. So, and it's always funny when Poshmark like announces it. They're like, today only closet clear out, don't miss your chance. It's like closet clear out happens the day before yesterday. So yeah, to answer your question, no, I don't participate in it. I don't think it's worth it. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below or DM me on Instagram or send me a tweet. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code KeepinItRad. You'll get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.